Our first repair, you're going to go to your toilet, take off the back of the lid. Take some Kool-Aid and dump it in the tank in the back. We're checking for leaks. If you see any discoloration, especially lines running down the bowl, you know that it's leaking and it's time to get a new flapper. Next, we're going to go to the grout on the floor. All you have to do is take some toilet bowl cleaner, especially the gel formula, place it on the grout and let it sit there for about 5 minutes. Go ahead and grab you one of those old toothbrushes and you're going to give it a good scrubbing. And you're going to start seeing the color change. Grab a sponge, wipe it all up, and look at the difference. It restored that grout to its original color. How about when somebody goes in and out of the front door and rattles your door? The way to stop the rattling is to grab a cabinet door bumper or felt that goes under a chair door like we have here. Cut it to size, place it on the door jamb. The door will no longer rattle. How about when you're moving furniture and you got that dent in the carpet that you just can't get rid of no matter how many times you vacuum over it? Take some ice, place it on the dent, let it sit there for a good 15 to 20 minutes, and take a fork and rub it out. And you're going to restore that carpet back to its original look. How about trying to hang one of those pesky pictures or clocks on the wall that have a string? Catching those on the nail can be a pain. Just grab you a fork, put it on the nail, put the string or the wire around the fork, lower it into position, and it will catch the nail every time. The locks on our door can wear out over time. It's just the mechanism inside. Don't use a liquid spray or any kind of lubricant that way. Grab a pencil. Graphite is a natural lubricant and doesn't dry out. Just rub it all over the teeth. Put it in a couple of times. It'll lubricate, and look at that. Smooth action every time. How about a shower head that doesn't work correctly or has rust stains on it? What you have is mineral deposits inside the shower head. Just take a baggie, pour some vinegar in there, place it over your shower head, secure it with a clip or a rubber band, and you're going to let it sit overnight. As you can see on the next day, a lot of that mineral deposits came through and is sitting in the bag. Remove the bag, wipe it all off. That shower head works perfectly.
You'll be amazed at how less than $15 worth of vinyl that normally goes on cars can totally customize your bathroom. I'm working on renovating this old bathroom, but I don't want to change out all the tile behind this big plate. So I decided that I would see what I could do about covering it up. I bought a $15 roll of vinyl that's normally used for cars off of Amazon. Since I'm going for a beach look in this condo, I decided to go with an ocean blue kind of color, just to do something different. I peeled the backing off and started to apply the vinyl over the outside of the plate. I cut away at the material a bit at a time, making sure to leave a bit of excess on the edges so that I could trim it away closer and closer as I needed to. Around the middle area, I cut little slits in the vinyl to allow me to move and stretch it as I needed to, and try to avoid a lot of wrinkles. Once I felt I kind of had it in place the way I wanted to, I took the hairdryer, and the heat from the hairdryer helped me to stretch and pull the fabric as I needed to around the fixture itself. I didn't do the handle because I figured that was just going to get so much use that it didn't make sense to cover that part up. I also covered up the tub spout. It was old and water stained, and no matter how much I cleaned these fixtures, I just couldn't get the spots and everything off of them. Once it was hot, the material became more stretchy, and so that made it much easier to work with, and I was able to get out wrinkles just by smoothing my hand over them, or you could use a squeegee or maybe a credit card to help flatten things down. I love that the vinyl comes in a lot of different colors, so whereas you might not use blue, you could maybe create pink fixtures if you have a little girl who loves princesses or Barbie. The great thing about the product is that when I'm done with it, I can just peel it off and get rid of it, change the color to something else, and no damage was done to any of the existing fixtures. But it's a great way to customize your bathroom with a color that you might not find absolutely anywhere else. I hope this inspired you to try a new and different technique and color in your bathroom and really make it something of your own and something that you love.
Head to Dollar Tree and pick up a couple of bottles of shaving cream. Take shaving cream and spray it all around the bathtub. Take a rubber or regular broom and scrub the bathtub thoroughly until it's clean. Then rinse off with water. Take the shaving cream and spray the toilet brush to clean it. Spray it on and let it sit for a while. When it's complete, the shaving cream and the residue will be gone. Take the shaving cream, spray it on a mirror, and use that and a microfiber towel or paper towels to wipe it down. There you have it, a cheap way to clean your bathroom on a budget. I hope this inspired you to try these cleaning hacks in your home.
Bathrooms can become disheveled and disorganized. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my top bathroom hacks. So first up, bar of soap gets very messy on the counter, the water, everything pools around it. So I'm going to take my soap dish and I'm going to fill it with some river rocks that I got at my local dollar store and use it as a soap dish. The rocks are great because the water drains through the rocks and doesn't allow it to pool on the bar of soap. Next up, I'm going to show you a cute way to dress up your toilet paper roll. So you're going to rip off one sheet and then two sheets that are attached together. And then you're going to take the end and you're going to just fold it into a triangle. So this is the very end piece that's still attached to our roll. And you can see here I've just folded it under. Then you're going to go ahead and you're going to just very gently poke two holes in through the toilet paper, just using your fingers. If it's easier, you can get your fingertip a little bit wet just to poke it through. And then you're going to go ahead and with the one square that you ripped off, you're just going to fold it into a little roll here, just like I'm doing here. And then with the two pieces that are still attached together, you're going to fold them over each other. And then you're going to use your fingers to pinch them down into the middle and you're going to make a bow shape. Then you're going to take the piece that you took off and rolled up and you're going to wrap it around to make a bow, and you're just going to slide it through those two holes that you ripped into the toilet paper and then wrap it around the back. And then here you just have a cute little bow. This is something I like to do if guests are coming over, just for a cute little way to dress up the toilet paper. Another sore spot in the bathroom is hand towels. They always just get thrown on the rack, kind of disheveled. So I just fold the towel over 2 times and then I'm going to flip it over and then I'm going to fold it the other way vertically. So I'm going to take these ends and I'm just going to fold them into the middle on each side. So just like you see here. And then once I've done that, I'm going to fold the towel in half. And then what you'll see here is that I have a neat little pocket here, and then I can lay this over my towel rack. Now for my washcloth, I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to fold it in half, and then I'm going to fold it accordion style. And then this is going to make a nice little fan that's going to sit in the pocket. So now all I have to do is fold it over my towel bar and place the accordion washcloth inside. And this is just an easy way to fold your towels and make it look more like a spa when you come into your bathroom. If you want to roll your washcloths like they do at a spa, I'm going to show you how to do that now. So you start with a square washcloth and you grab 2 of the pointy ends and you fold them into the middle. And then you flip it over and just fold it back 3/4 of the way and then begin to roll your washcloth. And then when you'll see here, you have a little pocket here that you can tuck the tail into, and this holds them nice and tight and they look very neat on your countertop. So I'm going to set a tray here and I'm just going to set up a little spa-like station with some bath salts, some greenery, a candle, and then I'm going to place my washcloths here all rolled up neat and ready to go. So I really hope that you enjoyed these bathroom hacks. I hope it helps you keep your bathroom neat and organized and store things in a prettier, more delicate way.
2 bathroom cleaning hacks you've probably never tried. Grab a bar of soap and a cheese grater and grate the soap into fine flakes. Now add 2 tablespoons of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of coarse salt. I use sea salt. Mix these together, then add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water and stir it until it forms a dough-like consistency. Now roll this mixture into golf ball size balls. And here's the clever part. Grab a disposable face mask and cut off one end. Most of these masks have 2 layers, so go ahead and pull these pieces apart. Slip one of your soap balls into each of the pockets. Now tie the open end shut with the elastic you had from the piece you cut off. Hang this inside your toilet tank and every flush will release a clean, fresh scent. You can store the extra soap balls in a jar and you'll have refills ready to go for later too. The second hack is for when your bathroom or toilet still smells funky even after you've done a good cleaning. Grab a can of foam shaving cream. Spray a thick layer of that foam all around the bottom of the toilet right where it meets the floor. Let this sit for a good 10 minutes or so and then wipe it away with paper towels. This cleaning hack is a little bit messy, but it's surprisingly effective at tackling those pesky odors and will leave your bathroom smelling fresh and clean. So the next time your bathroom needs a deeper clean, try one of these hacks for a fresher, cleaner space with just a few simple household ingredients.